Yo, what's good, people? So, you probably have a lot of ideas every day and so many things to do that you feel so overwhelmed all the time. You probably feel like you don't know where to start. But I'm going to tell you a few things today that are going to shift this defeated mindset into a powerhouse of productivity with one simple trick. And you're going to be destroying anything that comes your way with these plans, right? Okay. One big thing, write everything down today. Starting today, whenever you have a chance and whenever you're thinking of things you have to do, first thing you should do is write it down. Seriously, I use notes on my iPhone and my computer for every single little thing that I want to do. So I use it for school. I even take my school notes, like I use notes for it. I use notes. I use it for my business. I use it for, investing. I use it for YouTube ideas. I even use it to sometimes put my workouts on there whenever I want to go to the gym because, I just like writing things down. And seriously, writing everything down is the first step to organization because it really helps you filter your thoughts and you're able to put everything on paper or on a digital screen somewhere where you're able to kind of, put it down step by step and see, that thought process that's going on in your head and like what's actually going on, what you actually need to do. So that's the first thing that you should really be doing. So now we're going to kick this up a notch because the notes is nice, but it's very, very just like basic. So for the people trying to kick this up a notch, I'm going to give you a big tip. There's this platform called Notion, and I use this platform Notion to organize my YouTube calendar. So I write down a lot of different video ideas. I write helps me organize every single one of those videos into different notes, so I'm able to write a script for every single one of my videos. Also, just able to organize the videos I have recorded in the past that I've kept and archived, and I'm also able to organize the videos that I've uploaded in the past and go back and see the notes for every single one of them. I also use Notion to basically plan every single one of the businesses that I try to go into. So whether it's e-commerce or whether it's my digital service with Apollo or whether it's just a freelance gig that I'm trying to explore, or maybe it's some random little thing that I've been trying to, little things that I do here and there, I always write it down and then put a plan together. And I think this is the best way to do it, in my personal opinion, because it's worked for me really well. So I really wanted to share with you this. The really big tip with this is, it's very digital. So you're able to take this wherever you go. Any device is able to, as long as you're able to go to the internet, you're able to log on to it. So it doesn't matter where you are, anywhere, anytime, you're able to access this information that you've kind of labeled out for yourself. So definitely take a look at Notion if you have a chance. If you want to get things done, you have to plan to get it done. Otherwise, it's just going to fall into the abyss of the random things that goes on throughout the day. Unless you have like titanium memory where you're able to, just wake up in the morning and you just know what you got to get done to like get to where you want to get to that day. I don't know. But, I'm not like that. And I know there are a lot of people out there that probably aren't like that either. So definitely write it down. It's going to save you millions of, mistakes and time that could be wasted. And, all that mess is going to be eliminated with this one thing. So I'm going to give you 2 more tips that's going to boost your productivity by 1,000,000%. So the first tip is plan at least your top 3 activities, that you want to do the night before. So if before tomorrow comes about, you just like, oh, I got to get X, Y, Z done. Make sure you write it down in this planner on Notion. You let yourself know, hey, tomorrow, this is what I'm going to be doing. The top 3 things that I got to get done in order to get to where I want to get to, or in order to just be, sane or be happy with myself, whatever. So the next thing you want to do, tip number 2, is you want to get started on that right away in the morning. So wake up early in the morning if you can. And you want to get it done before you check your phone. Big tip. So I promise you, you will get these tasks done 5 times faster and 5 times better than if you were to try to check your phone, or if you wanted to do it later in the day or at night, or whatever the case may be. You will definitely get it done with better quality at a faster time. And that's what productivity is. Doing things better and more efficiently. So I'm going to tell you right now, definitely take this into account. If it's like a big milestone that you want to get accomplished, I'm not saying do this every single day, wake up in the morning and get a job done. Nah, that's not realistic. I don't wake up every day to get stuff done. It's not possible. So what I'm going to say, though, is it's very important for you, if you want to get, the very, very big milestones that you have in mind, or the big goals that you want to get accomplished, get those things done. Wake up in the morning, get it out the way, put it down in your notes on Notion, plan and attack. Whenever you do those two things always come out with good results. Anyway, it was your boy Elijah, just bringing you some quick tips on productivity, organizing your stuff, and getting stuff done. 2021 is moving very fast, and we got to be strategic with our time, because time is money, and the jet skis are calling. So it was your boy Elijah. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.